Welcome to the Life's Necessities and Luxuries radio show. Today, our host, Dawn Marie Mutel, your life's commodities broker, will bring you fashion, beauty tips, business acumen, teach you where to find the life's greatest necessities and the finest luxuries. Now, here's Dawn Marie.
Hello, lovelies. It's Dawn Marie here. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Life's Necessities and Luxuries. Well, today is National Pasta Day. I have to admit it. I am a sucker for pasta. I've learned to cut it out of my life every week, but I still indulge. What's your favorite pasta dish? There are so many wonderful Italian pasta dishes out there, but one of my favorites is plain old ziti with a good marinara sauce with some ricotta cheese together, and it's just creamy and delicious. And throw in a few meatballs or some other kind of great food that's been cooked in the marinara sauce, and you're on your way. Sprinkle a little bit of grated cheese on it. Delish. But I've also tried other fun pastas like pumpkin ravioli or truffle mushroom ravioli, or a crab stuffed ravioli, which is delicious. Gnocchi, which is really good as well. Either way you slice it, pasta is delicioso. Making pasta is really easy too, which is one of the things I love about it, is that you can get it out of the refrigerator section or from the box, throw it in some water with some salt and some olive oil, and within 12 minutes you have a beautiful hot steamy dish of food. And nowadays, the jar sauces are so much better tasting than they made them years ago. I just remember trying like a ragu versus from scratch years ago, and it was horrible. Now I've tried it, and I actually threw in some homemade meatballs into it, add a little onions and garlic, and it's amazing how far it's come. So why don't you make yourself a nice bowl of pasta for dinner tonight? Get a glass of nice Chianti or a nice red Merlot and enjoy. Mangia come dice. Well, thanks for stopping by. If you like this episode, please share it with your friends and loved ones. And please be sure to stop at www.lifesnecessitiesandluxuries.com and sign up for our newsletter, where I can continue to send you some tips, tricks, and tutorials to live in a very luxurious and necessary life on a beer and pretzels budget. Remember to live happily, lovingly, and successfully. Namaste.
If you like what you hear, tell someone. If you like what you hear, be a dear and pass it on. Don't forget to stop at our website, www.lifesnecessitiesandluxuries.com, for more tips, tricks, tutorials to live a very necessary and luxurious life.